Hello everyone, this is Abdul Halim and welcome back Perfect Freelancing YouTube channel. Today I will design a professional LinkedIn banner like this one. So continue with me. First of all, I have to learn about actual size of LinkedIn banner. So in LinkedIn banner size is 1584 pixels into 396 pixels. This is size of personal LinkedIn profile, not business page. So start the design. At first I have to take a shape like this one. Go eyedropper tool, replace this color, then select direct selection tool and drag and drop. Then I will design this shape. See this. Go ellipse, go to ellipse tool, take a circle, and replace here. Select both of the shape, go to shape builder tool, press Alt from keyboard, drag and minus this extra area. And resize this shape. Sorry, I have another shape to take. That will actual size of this one. Okay, select both of the shape, drag and drop, go to shape builder tool, place this shape here. And choose another color for better understanding. I can replace this, ungroup, select, right button click, release, clipping mask, arrange, select this image, right button click, arrange, bring to front, then arrange, bring to font. Then you will take both of the image and shape, right button click, make clipping mask. Now I have need another shape, release clipping mask. edit, copy, edit, paste it back. Go to eyedropper tool, select this color. Then I will select this shape. It's very simple, rounded rectangle tool. Select, go to direct selection tool and resize. Align middle, and take another shape, select this, select both of the shape, go to eyedropper tool, shape builder tool, press Alt and minus this. Oh, sorry, select, edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Press Shift and Alt key from keyboard and drag. Go to eyedropper tool, select this color. I can also minus this extra area of the shape. Press Shift and select the shape, or press Alt from keyboard and minus. Then I will draw this ellipse. Go to ellipse tool, Ctrl D, select both of them, drag and drop, Ctrl Z for group, and press place here. Then I will design this shape. Go to pen tool, press Alt from keyboard and click here, drag and drop for actual size. So this is profile picture area. How can I select this area? Go to ellipse tool, take 400 by 400 ellipse, and we have to take 1/3 of the shape, like this one. Delete extra area, press Alt from keyboard and minus this way you can fixed profile picture area. So most important elements or design should not place this. I have indicated by a ruler. All of the design and important information will put here. So I have replaced this shape here. Sorry. Arrange, bring to front. So my design is almost done. Discuss about this text, demo text. How can I select? So my this is Roboto regular 42, this shape medium 50, and lorem ipsum regular 21, and join us, this text is Roboto regular economy 43. Okay, and how can I create this shape? So let's go see this. Choose another color and convert to shape and increase object, expand appearance, expand, then go to line tool, select both of them, go to shape builder tool and delete. Now you can resize and replace your as you need. So I am not replace this, just drag and drop and place, and this circle I have create in this way. Sorry, expand, fill, then choose this color, edit থেকে copy and paste in font. Pathfinder, press Alt from keyboard and click here, object, experience, expand. drag and drop, Ctrl D, just create such line of shape, resize this and place. And replace this shape is kind of another shape, so I have drag and drop this shape to save our time. And I have take background shape, so go to shape build 1584 by 396, change the color, select, arrange, scene to back, align, so this design is already same to same. So thank you so much. I hope this video will helpful to you. So don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.